so I'm gonna do a before and after video on the garage and the house I just bought. And yeah, it's just gonna take too long to film while I was doing it. I was thinking about doing that. So here's before. Got all kinds of cracks. And I've actually just caulked this up. And I plan on doing that on all the seams because I don't like bugs. Another before thing was not having these lights, but I installed these and they are awesome. Make videos look a lot better. There's a gap under here. I can see sunlight through and everything's closed. So I'll be putting baseboard there, sealing that up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these cabinets yet. I may just leave them. Got the one there, and then that one. That's a movable shelf. You can see they just kind of painted this wall and then stopped. And same over there, and then they didn't paint that at all. And here we have nice storage shelves and not bad lighting. This will be a good storage space, considering I don't have the shelves I used to have in my old garage. Yeah, good garage door, pretty new. This was a converted carport, so this technically isn't up to fire code. That should be drywall, not wood. Probably be tearing that out, but not immediately, maybe in a year or so. Just keep fire extinguisher on hand. Probably an in-date fire extinguisher. So I have less of a wall than I used to. Plan is to build a smaller bench right here, tools in this corner. Project car will probably sit in this half of the garage, while this is used for cars to just park at night. So yeah, version 1 is just gonna be basic. We're cleaning it up, we're sealing it up, and improved lighting. So this is the gap at the front of each side of the garage. You can see that it just kind of builds up cobwebs. It's got nails sticking out, and I just want to put a nice 2x4 there to seal it up and put caulk around it. So I got a 2x4 and cut it down to size so that it would just reach the top of those 3 boards that are stacked there. And then I tried hammering it in, and it needed a little bit of sanding on one side, so I went ahead and did that. That way I could just wedge it in there. On the other side it fit just fine. This is the door to the outside, and it has 2/3 of border around the door, and it doesn't match the one I just put along that wall. You can see the light coming in from the outside there, and then as I wiggle the handle or push with my foot here, you can see the whole wall actually shifts. Make that a little bit sturdier with this border here. So the door frame to the outside is all done. This is my first time doing, I mean, it's not a frame, it's the just trim baseboard around it. And just plan on using painter's caulk all the way around on every edge and crevice. Decided to make that side perfect and leave this one with the funny gap because the door frame itself is raised up over here. Should be a little lower. And then I just cut the board a little short after smoothing everything, but enough painter's caulk, won't really be noticeable. Yeah, first time. Don't think it turned out too badly. I notched for the plate here to walk so that that would fit snugly. Pulled up the gap on each side with a 2x4 and then sealed around it with painter's caulk and then also spackle. And I've sanded it down so where it's pretty smooth. Just gotta paint. Started up in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse, see what I can get done right now. So this is after in the garage. Got some stuff hanging where I need it. Got my racks built up. Stopped painting. Didn't do the front yet. that's fine. I just need to get this video out because it's been so long. I need to get a different cover plate because I had one with the light switch over here, but I couldn't get it wired in properly to not be always on or something else wrong. Baseboard is all done along here. In our corners, we boarded in the gaps, sealed it up on either side. Those look good. Down here, that baseboard, that. Still need to paint the top and the very sides there. And then I'll paint the bottom of all of this white to match the baseboard and door frame. Door needs to be repainted. That's fine. Got a toolbox over there. Got my main one here. What I will be doing is taking these two filing cabinets, building a nice hardwood top for them so that that can be my main desk table workstation. But yeah, it all came together pretty well. I'm happy with it, especially happy with the lighting, the color. Still have to put up my Mazda banner and hang some things like my power tools. There's more work to be done, but I wanted to get this video out there because it's so long since I made any content and I really need to just get back into the feeling of it. So releasing this, I don't know if I'm gonna do my Poe video next where I started rolling fenders and such in the other garage and those things. But I do have another surprise for this video. And for the garage, I got myself a big, beautiful air compressor. So I'm looking forward to being able to use that. I need to get a 240 volt outlet installed. So I'm really happy that all this is done. I'm happy in this garage. I like the way everything looked. And I'm just happy to get back to making videos and doing car projects. Thanks everybody for watching this one. I know it was a little different, it wasn't actually cars, but gotta get some stuff done and why not make a video out of it. So thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.